In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your OneDrive storage usage quickly and easily. Understanding your OneDrive storage can be vital, especially if you're managing large amounts of data. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Microsoft account, so open your browser and log in. This is your gateway to accessing all the features that Microsoft offers. Once you're in, look for the app launcher in the top left corner of the page. It's easy to spot as it resembles a little grid of dots. Go ahead and click on that. Now, from the list of apps that appear, find and select OneDrive. This will take you straight to your OneDrive dashboard. If this is your first time accessing it through the web, you're in for a treat with its straightforward and clean layout. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Once you're ready, scroll all the way down to the bottom left corner of the page. It might take some scrolling if you have a lot stored, but at the bottom you should see a section labeled Storage. Here you'll find a summary of how much storage you're using. This is the quickest way to check your storage and see if you're getting close to your limit. Alternatively, there's another method within OneDrive that offers a bit more context. Click on the settings icon at the top right, it looks like a little gear, and select Options. This route will guide you to a storage summary page. It's a great spot to not only see your storage usage, but also manage it. You'll be able to view what's taking up most space and consider options if you need to free some up. And here's a tip for Windows users. Another way to access this information is directly from your taskbar. Locate the OneDrive icon there. It might be hiding under the Show Hidden Icons arrow if you have a lot of things open. Click it, then select the settings icon followed by settings from the drop down menu. You can navigate through the options and once again, in the bottom left, your storage details await. Keeping an eye on your storage usage helps you maintain control of your files and ensures you don't run into issues at critical times. If you're nearing your limit, consider removing files you no longer need or upgrading your storage plan for additional space. I hope this guide has made it clear and easy to check your OneDrive storage whenever you need to. Thanks for watching and happy managing.